Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to withdraw your funds or money from Shopify. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm gonna need you to open your computer browser and of course head on to the Shopify website, that is www.shopify.com. Now once you're in the website, click on login right here to log in into your account, or if you don't have an account, just click on sign up now. So I'm just going to click on login right here because I already have an account, and go to the store that you have. Now once you're in the store, to start withdrawing your funds, go to settings right here and go to payments. Now under payments, you can choose a provider that you want. So you have Bogus Getaway, to Checkout, MallPay, Adyen, AirPay, and etc. So just scroll on this real quick for more choices. And as you can see right here, I already have 3 payment providers that are available in my country. So I'm just gonna check this to checkout right here, and of course I'm gonna create a 2check account, and I'm gonna link my 2check account to PayPal. So I'm just gonna show you real quick. So right here, 2check account, you can sign up for free right here. Just enter your name, your business email, password. If you have a website, you can enter the website, and of course the country you're residing, and click on this reCAPTCHA right here, and you can click on get started, and you can now start linking your 2check account and Shopify. Now the other way is you can connect your PayPal account to Shopify. So right here, the easiest way for me, because I use PayPal right here, as you can see my setup is still incomplete. So once you've done that, if you set up your PayPal, you can just connect your PayPal and Shopify, and you're good to go. So once you've done that, if a customer will buy a product from you, let's say a customer has bought this Cafe Americano right here for only let me see, for only 83 pesos. So I think that's around $1.50. So if a customer will pay for this, or a customer will buy this, your funds will automatically go to PayPal, and now you can start checking out, or you can start withdrawing your funds via PayPal. So that's it. So basically, if you connect your PayPal to Shopify, all your funds from Shopify will automatically go to your PayPal or a credit card that you connected to PayPal. So it's as simple as that. So that's it for this video, and I hope you find this helpful. And if you do, please give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and click on that notification bell for more contents like this. Bye!